What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Baby Said back on the video, and today we doing the video again on the locks. You feel me? On the, you know what I mean? On the yamans. You feel me? We doing another video on the dreads. I'm gonna be telling y'all the reasons why you shouldn't get dreadlocks. If you're not ready for it, I'm gonna be giving you the tips and tricks, so you gonna be for sure like, yeah, alright. He gave me the game. I don't want to be a part of it. I don't want to be part of the community right now. You feel me? Cause it's a choice. It's a choice. You feel me? So, yeah. So right now I got 10 things that I can give you for reasons why you shouldn't get dreadlocks. You feel me? Number one, the maintenance. There's a lot of maintenance that come with this shit. You feel me? It's a lot of maintenance and it take a lot of time. That's the reason. Like, if you could deal with the maintenance, I hope you patient, cause it takes a lot of time. You feel me? If you got hair now, bro. You know your hair is growing. You gotta keep up with the twisting, the washing, the detoxing, you know, every year you gotta do. It's a lot, you know, retwist every month or 2 months, 3 months, however you do it. It's a lot that come with this shit, you feel me? Another thing, it takes regular retwisting, you feel me? You gotta get retwist. Like what I got right now, I got a retwist and I got a style. So my shit just 2-strand twisted right now, rope twist. So you gotta get retwist and shit, you feel me? That's money, you feel me? It's not cheap. You gotta get retwist. And you gotta be getting palm rolling and shit. Your shit's not like, you know, sticking together and they start making congos. You get double locks, 3 locks stuck together. You gotta make sure your joints is still separated, palm rolling. Feel me? It's a lot that come with this shit, you feel me? 3, another thing people may find hard with the locks and dreads that it's heavy. Like when they start getting longer, depending on, you feel me, how many you got and like the size you got, the shit get heavy. I ain't gonna lie, it's weight on your head. Like it's some weight on my head right now, but I don't know, it's me personally, I get used to it. Like I don't really feel the weight on my head. Like when I think about it right now and I'm moving like this, I feel the weight. But when regularly, you're not gonna think about it. But this ain't that type of video. This is why you shouldn't get dreads. Number 4 is that they take a long time. Like it takes a while. I'm not gonna say take a long time, but it takes a while for your locks to actually lock up and, you feel me, mature, and to be able to, you feel me, to be able to stay in the lock position and just not, you can not be affected by anything for real. So it takes a while. It takes, you know, 6 months at least, 6 months depending on your hair type, for your hair to fully lock up. Like my hair, I got 4C. I got nigga hair. So once you when you got hair like when you got hair like that, it's gonna lock up pretty fast. Got more on the curly side of hair, you can be more on the straighter hair side. It's gonna take a little bit longer. You could use some different techniques though. You could use a crochet needle. I got some videos for that too if y'all wanna see that. You could even do the comb back method. Like, you feel me? There's a lot of things you could do. You feel me? Everybody eats. You feel me? Everybody get locks. Everybody eats. 5, you gotta be careful on certain things you do with your hair, cause like dreadlocks, they tough, but at the same time they fragile and gentle. You feel me? Your hair is twisted up. These could pop out. These could pop out. These could get twisted too tightly one time, and then it could get thin and it's pulling out. You feel me? They tough. For me, they tough, but at the same time they fragile, bro, and gentle. You gotta remember that. So when you get these certain type of styles and stuff, putting your dreads in certain different ways and all that shit all the time, and it's too tight or whatever, or you're doing it too often, that's how your shit start fucking up. Now you just messed up. You feel me? Now you're not gonna get none of the hopes. You feel me? Now you gotta make sure you really still thinking about it at the same time. Don't just get dreads and just not care. You don't give a fuck, bro. It don't work like that. You can't just get dreads and don't give a fuck. Your shit not gonna look nice. You feel me? 6, another thing is when you washing and getting your hair dried, it takes a longer time. I'm not gonna lie, my hair takes mad long. I don't know why it takes a long time to dry, bro. It's weird, but it's because your hair is really locked up. So it's like once you get all that clean and washed, for me, it's your hair still absorb water. So when you rinse, even sure you gotta squeeze that water out and shit, your hair gonna be a little wet and damp for a minute. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be damp for a little while. But it takes a long time with that process and washing and shit and drying. I ain't gonna lie, it takes a minute. It takes a long time. If you really getting in there, you really wanna wash your shit, yeah. It takes a little. Another thing is that is not suitable for all hairstyles. What I mean by that is that, yeah, like you might wanna get like, I don't know, if you get dreads, you might want to get like a certain hairstyle that looks like, you know, different, or that looks like another hairstyle, but you got dreads. It's like it won't work. Like it's like a person, like you could, like, see, I got 2-strand twists. You could get this with any other regular hair. You can get 2 strands. You can get braids with dreads, just like regular hair. You can have your hair down just like regular hair. But it's like certain things that you could do with regular hair and other hairstyles you can't do with dreads. You feel me? So that can be frustrating sometimes, but that's what comes with the commitment. Like, yo, you gotta do your research. There's a lot of hairstyles you could do with dreads, but it might be some that you might fuck with that you can't fuck with no more because you got the dreadlocks, you feel me? So we gotta really take that into consideration. 8, I think I'm on number 8, right? So yeah, 8. Another thing is they attract lint and like lint and dust balls and shit. Sometimes I ain't gonna lie, certain things you around. Sometimes you go on certain things, you put your hat on something, you know, it might get linty. You might attract lint all in your shit. You might see white stuff appearing in your shit in your dread as lint. So if you see the white shit appearing in your dreads, don't be too scared. It's lint. You probably most likely just pull it out. But if it's really in there, then you gotta wash it out. It's a whole nother process. But that's another thing that your hair is gonna attract lint and stuff like that really easily. I don't know why. The last thing I got for you is that sometimes you can do all the stuff yourself, but I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna have to find you a loctician, a professional loctician that actually knows about this shit, for me, that actually studies and went to school, whatever, got their license with this hair shit and this dreads and loctician stuff. You really gotta make sure you go and get one of those because you're gonna need help. I'm not gonna lie, something gonna happen and you're not gonna be able to figure it out yourself. You're not gonna be able to always do it yourself. So you're gonna have to get help. Like me personally, I wanted to do all of it myself, for me. It was some times I retwisted my hair myself, but it came out good a little bit. I had the clips and everything, it came out a little good, but it wasn't that good because at the same time, you gotta get your hair washed, you gotta retwist it, then you gotta let it sit, you gotta sit under the dryer, you know, you gotta sit under the dryer. You can't just you could let your hair air dry, but like, I'd rather just sit under the dryer, bro, and get it over with fast, you feel me? So it's gonna take some help sometimes. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Those my little 10 tips, I guess, my 10 advice. Yeah, my 10 little advice for y'all why you shouldn't get dreadlocks if you're thinking about it. But if you want to see another video, I got another video coming up why you should get dreadlocks, and you know, because you know I gotta support my people, I gotta support the community at the same time. So I got another video coming up for y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.